Hey there, history buffs. Have you ever wondered why some countries drive on the right side of the road, while others stick to the left? Today, I'm diving into the fascinating history behind this driving divide. Buckle up. Alright, let's start with the left side. Believe it or not, this practice dates back to ancient times. In medieval Europe, most people were right-handed, so knights preferred to keep to the left. This way, their sword arm was closer to an opponent. Convenient, right? Fast forward to the late 1700s in England. The British government formalized left-hand driving to reduce chaos on the roads. Their colonies, including India, Australia, and South Africa, adopted this rule too. But what about the right side? Well, this trend has its roots in France and the United States. In the late 18th century, French revolutionary leader Napoleon Bonaparte preferred the right side. His policy spread across Europe as he conquered territory. Meanwhile, in the US, massive freight wagons pulled by teams of horses became common. Drivers sat on the rear left horse to keep their whip hand free. To avoid collisions, they kept to the right side of the road. By the 20th century, most of the world had chosen a side. Today, about 65% of the world's population drives on the right. The remaining 35%, including the UK, Japan, and Australia, stick to the left. There you have it. The driving debate isn't just a quirky difference, but a tale of history, power, and practicality. So next time you cross a border and switch sides, remember, there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, drive safe and keep learning.